The Italjet Dragster 700 twin in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! As a declaration of war against the ordinary. Because everything about this bike is extraordinary.
Mostly ginagamit siya pang enduro, off-road, pang mga trail.
Para kayo pwede mo sabihin, GS, ganun kaganda ang suspension niya.
Ano man sabi niyo sir sa Dragster 700?
Maganda siya.
Our main
And
photographer is
magaang. Ang advantage nito is 56 kilo lang siya. So sobrang gaan.
Then, nagpa 140. Type 2 na yung charger niya.
Charger niya parang sa mga BYD na.
Parehas na, type 2.
Parehas, taas. So kayo, kamusta naman ang experience niyo sa pagtaas ng gasolina? Kina-consider niyo na ba mag-electric? Sir?
How do you find your Triumph? Is it good? Yeah?
Good.
Yeah, I'm looking at buying another bike and I was looking at Trident and they have good reviews.
Yeah,
But
very good.
Very good. Thank you, Paul.
Very light and fast.
Yeah, they get okay. Yeah. But I just need for second bike. So I have Hayabusa, but I need smaller bike, you know, so I'm only small. But yeah, thank you, Paul. Salama. Thank you.
thank you,
Have a
thank you.
good day.
Have a good day. Goodbye, sir. Let's go. Grabe yung ano. Park. Haba ng pila, my lord. Relax.
I hope all the other booths also can hear me. Para all the people can come here. So, everyone, this is the opening day for Inside Racing Bike Fest and Trade Show. And we have something very special for you guys here at the Access Plus booth this afternoon. I'm Renzo Kiko, I'm the Access Plus marketing manager, and I'm very honored to be your host as well this afternoon. Bologna, Italy, back in the 1960s. And as of 2026, the company has a heritage spanning of over 65 years. And in the Philippines, Access Plus Group has been the official Philippine distributor of Italjet for the last 30 years, guys. Since the original Italjet Dragster and Formula. So, for those who don't know, this is how the dragsters look like before. When Access Plus Group brought them here. Alright? So, Italjet has been one of the brands that Filipino motorcycles enthusiasts have loved and enjoyed riding throughout the years. And to help us reveal this beast right here, may I call here on stage Access Plus brand manager, Mr. Troy Alberto. A round of applause, everybody. Ay, dito lang. Brother Troy. Of course, our Access Plus Group Marketing Director and 5-time Philippine Superbike Champ, DJ Alberto. And Access Plus General Manager for Italjet Philippines, Sir Ted Alberto. Sir Ted, come up here on stage. Let's go around the bike. Okay, Sir Ted, TJ, Troy, let's get ready to unveil. Sir Ted, dito ka sa kabila. Okay, countdown, alright? Okay, Ladies and gentlemen, introducing a true masterpiece on two wheels, the Italjet Dragster 700 Twin in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go! Woo! A round of applause, everybody. Wow! That is one radical looking motorcycle. Okay, just a quick information. Did you guys know that Italjet described the 700 Twin as a declaration of war against the ordinary? Because everything about this bike is extraordinary, as you can see. Alright, so I want to ask, DJ and Troy, you have taken the bike on the track and on the road. Can you share with us how's the performance?
Yeah, so first I'd like to thank everyone for coming out here. We're not just showing off the bike here, but actually we've already released some bikes to the customers which you'll meet later. So Troy, tell us about the bike.
Yeah, so actually I've had a quite long journey with this bike because I rode this bike for the first time in 2023 actually. I was one of the first people to ride the prototype of the bike 3 years ago. So finally to be able to see it here now in the flesh, it's unbelievable. So yeah, we rode it in the track just last week, and what I can say is that the handling is really good, the power is super fast, and it's just a beautiful bike. Yeah, so actually this is the first bike that Italjet has made that is express vehicle. So of course we're very excited to do more long rides with this bike.
Other than just riding, actually, was it last week? We had our first race on the Dragster 300, which of course won't go away, it will still be there. Of course we'll have the 700 and afterwards we'll have the 459. But I'd just like to share that last week, we were able to kick some butt on the Dragster 300 at the track. Okay? So I'm really looking forward to kick some butt as well on the Dragster 700. So yeah, I can't wait for that. Give me a round of applause. Thank you.
Napansin ko, it's beefed up. Olin steering damper, Brembo brakes, Olin suspension, Pirelli tires, and it does look like a scooter, but I heard it's not just a DJ.
I mean, starting with the Dragster 300, to be honest, there's a lot of doubt about the bike last week when we first went on track, right?
Yes.
For sure, the bike looks very different styling, very different engineering. But when we put the wheels on the ground and we started to go fast on track, me and Troy were able to set the best lap time. We set the lap record. We were the fastest scooter on the day. And you can really say that it's a sports scooter. The same with this one, when we started riding it on the track, as you can see in the video, I was really surprised how sporty it feels. I think there's no doubt that the engineering of this bike is really quality, the performance of the components is really good, and the bike's really handling very well. So you guys should really book a test ride and you'll be very amazed. I mean, man, it already looks super beautiful,
Yes.
but it also performs beautifully as well.
Yes. Not just beautiful, it looks radically beautiful. Diba?
And I think something to add also is that when you talk about the components of the bike, after Povik, Brembo, Olins, there's really nothing to improve on. So Italjet has
A Propovic exhaust.
The parts remind you of another brand, no, with like a letter D. I can't say, but it's very high quality talaga.
Yeah. Actually, so we got two colors available, as you can see on screen. Okay? And I know you guys are asking about the price. So, the Italjet Dragster 700 is available for, show the price, for 9,997,000 pesos. You can get your Italjet Dragster 700. Book yours now. Edmond is here. You can talk to him. You can reserve. I know, meron tayong papailan na yung dumarating natin, but talk to Edmond, reserve yours now, kaagad. Right sa likod, congrats. Yeah. Please stay. Alright. Yan, masurte. Alright. Alright. Gusto ko marinig kay Miss Techie. Miss Techie, how was the bike? You've been going around Cavite.
Yes. Carmona. Wait, bigyan ko na sa backstory. I have the Italjet Dragster 200cc, limited edition numbered, pirmado. Asan si Massimo? Papapirma ulit ako. And way back 2022, in-announce nila yung 500cc na Italjet Dragster. I pre-ordered. So yung ganito ko guys, in order ko way back 2022 pa. 500cc pa siya, naging 550 and now 700. From automatic naging manual na siya. For everyone na hindi nakakaalam, manual na siya and kargado talaga. All stock yung nakikita nyo. But this one is 1,025,000 numbers kasi siya. Mine is number 8 out of 700 in the world. Yes. Lowest. Besides Boss Toti na 000. Anyway, nakuha ko siya March 3. Nakapag-ride na kami ni Boss Ted. Nakapag-S-Flex na ako, EDSA. And kung meron kayong mapapansin or mamamangka sa bike na to is para kayo pwede mo sabihin? GS. Ganong kaganda ang suspension niya. Sorry. Naka-multistrada po ako, pero mas maganda pa sa multistrada yung suspension niya. Mukha man siyang matigas, hindi po. Yung S-Lex, basihan ko yan ng kapangitan ng kalsada natin and wala kayong mararamdaman pag sa S-Lex kayo. So, mukha lang siyang maangas, pero comfy siya.
Wait,
And mabilis, of course. Kahit, nakikiwang ka nga eh.
Balik kasama natin si Sir Edison, isa sa pinakaunang owner ng Dragster 700.
Just Dado.
Ano man sabi niyo sir sa Dragster 700?
Maganda siya.
Our main
And
photographer is Pugat
magaang,
Photography right
magaang
there.
siyang dalhin.
In the middle.
Saka tama yung sinabi ni Miss Techie. Comfort.
We good?
Yes, comfort talaga.
Alright,
As
thank you very
matulin.
much, Just Dado.
Matulin.
Congratulations. Next is Sir Julius Matter. Congratulations, sir.
Secret? Hindi. Ano pala,
Julius
150?
Matter is Sir Julius.
Madali niya kunin yung 150, saglit lang. Madaling i-maneuver. Yes, magandahan
Mr.
din.
Ryan Suarez. Edwin
Hindi naman,
Suarez.
magang siya. Tapos adjustable lang suspension, harap and likod. Okay, thank you.
Sir DJ and
Thank you.
everyone.
Ako na sa vlog. Tingnan natin yung mga produkto nila dito sa Access Plus. So, meron sila mga Brembo. Mga Brake Master. Ito yung bago. Ito yung RCS 16. RCS 19 for sa Ito yung bagong Brembo ngayon. Ito yung lightweight, yellow, may red. Mga SC Project exhaust. Original Yun. Pogi. Yung CRT. Handguards, service. Meron pa rito, ito yung pamalakas ang preno. Sa lima, ito yung pang WSBK. Kulay black din. Ito yung gamit natin sa R1. Ito yung GP4 RS. Yung maliit. Dito naman yung mga all-ins suspension. Iba't ibang klaseng motor. Meron all-ins. Siyempre pag all-ins, ito yung talagang top of the line, high-end. High-end na talaga to. Fully adjustable. Nakikita mo talaga yung kulay niya pag all-ins, kulay gold. Pero may mga black series na ngayon. Ayan. Meron din pang front forks.
Paul Henry po, taga Pasig. Nakita ko si Sir Kenji. Hello po.
Marami ka na na-picture ang mga chicks.
Hindi naman po.
Yes, thank you. Hoy, basta. Salamat.
Hi, sir.
Sniper ni tropa. Loaded, Dalawang sniper na tropa. Dito tayo ngayon sa Imprint Customs booth. Siyempre, dalaw tayo dito. Basta.
Boss Kenji.
Dito meron 3S e-bikes. Ito parang Vespa. Ito na yung future niyan, mga e-bikes. Lalo malanggas ngayon. Ganito, magandang red light. Ilan po range niya?
150.
150, layo Layo yung range. Top speed.
120 pag may load ng 100.
Lakas 100. Tuling to. Naka-lithium din to. Lalim
Talaga.
Lalim.
Pwede nakalabas yan. Tatanggalin mo dito. Yan yung motor connection.
Pwede dalawang battery. Pwede.
Pero hindi pwede sabay siya ba?
79,000. Ilan range niya?
100 to 120 sir.
100 kilometers.
Isang full charge.
Kasi ilan po top speed?
80 yung makikita mo sa panel pero maabot ng 90 to 100.
Tuloy na. So, click kayo. Oh, yung shock niya pang underbone. Ayun o. Forma na rin eh oh. Oils. So, yung Phoenix oh. Mamasyal. Naghanap ng chicks. Ito ang maganda, Suron. Solid oh, Suron.
Ito sir, Hyper-B sir, naka 145k siya ngayon. Meron siyang kasama controller. So basically pang bata siya. Pwede siya, yung sa controller pwede ka mag-radyo. So pwede mo instruct yung children natin na magalan, bilisan or mag-stop. And pwede mo rin i-control yung gear niya. May gear 1, 2, and 3. So para kunyari ops, mabilis na, pwede mo babaan yung gear. And may kill switch rin. So pwede mo ipatay yung makina and magde-decelerate siya. Ang top speed niya is 65 sir. And yung range niya, nagre-range around 45 to 50 km. Yung pinaka-high end natin, Ultra B, top speed niya is 95 to 100 km. Tapos yung range niya, depending on the usage, around 100 km. Mostly ginagamit siya pang enduro, off-road, mga trail. Ito po, beast mode kasi sa meron siyang mga modes. Ito sir, may eco mode siya, may sports mode, may pang ride mode. Pag sports mode, medyo pang mga veterano ka na kasi malakas masyado yung torque niya. Aggressive. Talagang pumapalo talaga.
Kaya mag-wheelie, no?
Ito nga lang, kaya na mag-wheelie. Ito pa kaya. Ito sir, nasa 337,500. Naka-promo siya talaga. And then this one is the Light B. Ito yung mid-range natin. Ang ano niya, speed niya is around 75 kilometers. Ang advantage nito is 56 kilo lang siya. So sobrang gaan. And then yung range siya up to 70 kilometers. Lahat ng unit natin sir, IP67 siya, meaning to say, kahit ilubog mo siya sa pool, gumagana pa rin po.
Ito isa. Ito pala, 275.
Ultra BHP.
Itong Light B naman, 250,000. 75 top speed. Range 75 din. Solid oh. So ito, pinakita tayong kakaiba rito. Ang pangalan, Motoloft. Motoloft. So sa parking, sakto sa parking. May lifter siya.
Boss, ito, set siya with lifter and the rack. 150.
150.
Yeah. Pag yung rack lang, 45.
Kahit anong big bike kaya?
Kaya.
Ilang capacity niya?
Kaya 2 tons yan eh.
2 tons.
Baka-order niya.
Oo nga.
May manual lang siya.
So ito na ang first look natin sa Kawasaki KLE 500. Tsura niya, ano siya? Pang Z500 yung mukha niya. Pero slim type oh. Presyo niya is 381. Ang abot. Abot ko ba to? Taas? Ang abot. Dulo lang, dulo. Pero magaan lang. Taas pala na ito. Taas. Ay.
Mas mataas yung TF450 o yan.
Ito. Ito. Para sa ano, no? Versys. Matas pa ng konti, no? Sa Versys. So. Makapal kasi ito eh. Makapal.
Yes, sir.
Pwede tabasan, no? Pagka...
Para bumaba.
Para bumaba, no? Makapal na siya.
Yan po nasa ano ba?
870mm. Boss, thank you. Thank you. Pero pogi, tsaka napakagaan lang. Ito naka-off-road tires na. Tubeless tires na. Hindi pa. Ito, meron itong DRZ. Suzuki DRZ 4S. Ayun, pogi oh. Ay, sir. Dito tayo ngayon sa NXT. Kasama si Marvin Chua Motovlog. Yan, taga NXT. Meron siya NXT. Meron siya NXT bike.
Dynamax user, NXT.
Kamusta? Matulin?
Parang baby X-Max ayun, yung nasa video. From Novaliches to Sierra Madre, Marilaki, 89 kilometers.
Balikan.
Vice versa, balikan. So,
Kayang-kaya.
more than 160 yun. Itong XR, 72 volts, 95 amperes, touchscreen na rin yan. Touchscreen.
Magaling.
Ayan, nakikita mo dyan. So pwede mo siyang i-link yung cellphone mo dito para makita mo yung ways mo, parang yung map. Then, may kasama na tong MDL. Stock niya yan. Yung MDL niya yung dalawahan hindi yung basta yung ano lang. Ayan, 76 speed 1. Speed 2, pwede kang kumambyo habang tumatakbo. 108. Then, ayan, nagwa 140. Sabihin mo ng 130 ka tumatakbo pagka nakasakay na, no? May bigat na yung ano. Ito namang S, ito yung parang sports, parang pagka mag-overtake ka, for example, pwede kang nag-alanganin ka, pwede ka kagad tumalon sa... So itong XR, 6,000 watts ang motor hub niya. Compare sa iba, pinakamababa kasi ng iba, 4,000 lang. Ito 6,000. Dito makikita.
Single.
Sa 6,000. Type 2 na yung charger niya.
Galing oh.
So yan, pakita natin yung charger.
Laki ng battery.
Parang may blower. Example. Yan, yung battery niya, 95 amperes
Yung
yan.
charger niya parang sa mga BYD na.
Parehas na, type 2.
Parehas? Pwede sa mall to?
Pwede. Pwede siya sa mall.
Galing ano?
So, dala mo lang naman din to or ano, pwede yan. Or
Galing,
sa bahay. Sa bahay, ayan na siya. Pwede mo naman siya isaksak sa bahay. Kusina nito, nakapot-pot na rin eh. Stock niya yan.
Kamusta yung bigat?
Bago lang.
Kumpara sa ADB 160.
Medyo mas mabigat to sa ADB kasi yung battery niya,
Ito,
yun na yung battery.
Sobrang
Nasa
bigat.
gitna naman.
Oo nga, tsaka ano, fully adjustable oh. Yung pagka kailangan nyo pa ng mga e-bike content, subscribe kayo kay Marvin Chua Motovlog.
Thank you.
Dito yung mga nagte-test ride sa labas. Meron ding ano, Suron, pinapa-test ride din oh. Dami oh. Yan, iba-ibang brand, ang daming brands pwede mo i-test ride dito. May Royal Enfield, Benelli, Kawasaki, Euromotor, Suron. Yung Suron na e-bike, e-scooter. May Suzuki, Honda. Dito sir. Sige po, ingat. Ingat. Okay, so uwi na tayo. Ito yung gamit natin, Trident 660. So, big shoutout sa mga nakilala. So, nagpakarga ako ng 400 oh. Hindi pa nabawasan yung gas ko. Matipid pala to, matipid. Ganda na to, CBR ano to? Pinarepaint. CBR 650R pala yun. Ginawang 40th edition. Ay, wala ako dito. Ito pala ako. Wild talaga na. Trident 660. Grabe yun. So big shoutout sa lahat ng mga tropa, naging tropa, nakilala, mga nagpa-picture at humingi na sticker. Salamat sa inyo mga katingin, kundi dahil sa inyo at sa mga viewers natin, hindi natin mararating yung ganitong status sa point ng ating vlogging career. Sobrang dami po nakakakilala na sa atin. Para mga tropa-tropa na lang, di ba? Kapag lagi nyo ako pinapanood kasi na para nakikilala nyo na rin yung pagkatao ko. At syempre, iba't ibang bikes na susubukan natin at natatry natin. Nagiging bike din natin. Syempre, kundi dahil sa inyo. hindi natin mararating yung mga ganitong opportunities and privileges. And syempre big shoutout din sa Access Plus dahil sa opportunity na nakapag-test ride na tayo ng Dragster 700 before pa i-launch. Masubukan natin yung performance sa racetrack, pati yung mga Ducati bikes. So abangan nyo yung vlog natin. May vlog tayo ng mga Ducati. Tinest ride natin yung mga Ducati, mga latest model sa racetrack. At abangan nyo rin syempre ang ating e-bike content. So baka magkaroon tayo ng e-bike in the future. Tignan natin. Try natin kung kasya tayo dito. Sakto lang. Ang wild naman ito. Grabe yun. Sobrang sarap naman gamitin ito. Trident 660, no? So kayo, kamusta naman ang experience nyo sa pagtaas ng gasolina? Kina-consider nyo na ba mag-electric? Share nyo naman mga katingin sa comments kung kina-consider nyo na rin mag-electric at kung ano yung mga napupusuan yung brands or models